Well, this place is being targeted for selective logging. They're taking out some of the larger timbers. And there's a rather unlikely piece of collateral damage. You might hear them humming. But I guess the loggers are going to cut this section of the tree away. Can you hear it? And they're going to use that big crane arm thing to move the hive and lean it up against this tree. I don't know if the bees will take to it, to their relocating, but I suppose it's worth it, because to lose a bee colony of this size has a pretty substantial ecological impact, and the loggers are well aware of that. But here, I'll give you a closer look inside. Listen to the hum, and I'll be quiet now. And wish me luck. Okay, that's close enough for me. Well, I have to admit, as fascinating as it is, I can't feel entirely at ease here. I'm certainly not welcome. But they don't seem to be concerned with me, even in the slightest, and I'm about, this is about 8 feet away. I can give you a little bit more of a zoom. Oh no, I cannot. That's as close as I can get. And that's as much risk as I'm willing to take. So, hope you thought that was kind of cool, and I'll see you later.